all safety protocols and wear your personal protective equipment. Okay?
Understood, madam. I start the kilometer with the angle grinder.
And now prepare the grinder and the work area. Hey Ali, your hands look wet. Do you need a towel?
Okay, let's take a minute.
Everyone stop! Ali received an electric shock.
Hey, don't touch him until the electricity is out.
The power is off now. Ali, can you hear me?
Yes, my hand feels numb. My arm hurts.
Stay still, I will check the condition while someone call for medical assistance.
Bro, go to the emergency field and report the incident immediately.
Okay, let's investigate the incident. What happened, Ali?
I used the grinder without drying my hand after washing them. I thought it would be dangerous.
I noticed his hands were wet and I warned him, but he continued using the grinder. Wet hand reduces the body electrical resistance, allowing electricity to pass through more easily. Although the grinder was functioning normally, using electrical equipment with wet hand is extremely dangerous. The root causes were failure to follow safety procedures, unsafe practice, and lack of hazard awareness. To prevent similar accidents, workers should keep the work area dry, follow electrical safety procedure all the time.
I learned that even a small mistake can cause a serious accident.
And we always remind each other to work safely. Remember, safety is everyone's responsibility. No job is so urgent that we should ignore safety rules.
Safety first!